Here's some tips to start up the Weber Summit Kamado. So this is how I start my fire. One fire starter in the corner, and this will go for any kamado or drum smoker. Now you're gonna put your deflector in. Great. Shut it down. You want to open this so that we can drag some air or some heat through it to get the temp up where we want. Now when you're getting your smoker up to temp, if for example you want it at 250, when it gets right here, this is when you start to shut your vents down. You don't shut it down when it gets to 250. You got to anticipate that it's going to go up another 20-30 degrees when you do. So we got our vents closed down really small, top and bottom. That one is closed all the way, but there's still a tiny opening. And this is where we are. Not bad from our target of 250. Remember, you got to anticipate where your temp is